Hello, thank you for deciding to view this tutorial. Today we will try to learn how to stylize simple structures, and we will do it by drawing from reference. I chose to draw a Stormtrooper helmet from Star Wars because I wanted to use a black SMLT art authentic pad and show how we can make the drawing process more creative and unique. An introduction is over. Let's start to draw. First of all, choose the reference picture that you want to draw. For this tutorial, I recommend finding something simple and yet interesting in one way or another. After deciding what picture do you want to draw your way, then the next step is to take a pencil and draw the outline of basic shapes. It doesn't need to be very detailed, but keep in mind that after you are done with drawing a pencil sketch, the next step will be with a pen, so the level of details and precision of this pencil drawing depends on your confidence working with a pen, because every stroke will be visible and you won't be able to erase it. If you want to be more precise, then vertical and horizontal lines are almost essential, because it gives us the ability to get the proportions right and to see more clearly if all the distances between details of the picture are right. When we decide that pencil drawing is precise enough to cover it with a pen, you can take your time and think through how do you want to see the final piece. You don't need to know every detail. You can improvise from the beginning. But knowing how you imagine your drawing could help you to start in a certain direction. I love to draw with lines, so this time is no different. I knew that every shape that will be created will be expressed with lines. It doesn't matter what you will decide, but you should be conscious of that because every stroke matters. If you want that your picture would look static, so every line should tell that. If you want that your artwork would feel dynamic and soft, so every detail should tell that story. In that way, we will learn to communicate in the language of art. In this video you are seeing the speed up process, and it could look very easy, but I had some struggles with this one. First of all, I have some difficulties with my fingers. Because of neck injuries, sometimes they are moving involuntarily, and that makes it difficult to draw straight lines. Secondly, I realized that pencil drawing was too sketchy and I lost the vision of how it should look. And finally, when I'm dealing with the symmetrical drawings, it is very hard because one side is always more comfortable to draw than the other, even though art is an amazing tool for enabling yourself to deal with different kinds of struggles beautifully and subtly. There is a strong chance that no one would tell if I had some troubles while drawing that, if I would not say it. So it is up to us to notice where we feel uncomfortable and find ways to fix that until we are happy with the outcome. If you are still here, you may ask yourself when I will say something more practical that could be used for improving drawing skills. And if you thought about that, I'm sorry if you feel disappointed, but in my 16-year drawing practice I realized that technical details are just a small fraction of making art. One of the biggest things is the attitude towards yourself, what you want to express, and how you decide to do that. Okay, I think that now is the great time to finish this unusually abstract tutorial. But I hope that you liked it, and if not, Feel free to give feedback and let us know what are the more preferred way of learning to make art. If you like our content and want to show some support, subscribe to our channel. That would be appreciated. Thank you for your time. Until the next time, bye.